Good day, everybody. It's Skipper back here. It's been a little while. Anyways, I was running into my local hardware store, and for some reason I always gravitate toward their locks, and just to see what they have and see if they're still carrying the same old master locks and brinks and such like that we all make fun of. And good Lord, up on the top shelf I found a whole row of Squire locks, which was pretty impressive to see at Lowe's Hardware. And then saw this right here, this Reliabilt. And I picked it up, flipped it over, and I said, "What? Lowe's is carrying DD locks?" And I turned around and said, "Well, let's just check this out further." And I said, "What? It looks like it's guttable." So I said, I'm going to have to just check this little bad boy out. So here we are. We are checking this out together for the first time. So here we go. Let's just open this up and see what we have here. And for all my young viewers out here, don't try this at home. That's just a joke. Good old Skipper style. So anyway, pick this up, and so anyway, we pull this right out, and first impression looks very nice. Looks like a very nice, well built, shrouded and locked. It should be good, but really don't suspect this thing is going to be like cowboy security. So anyway, we'll just check this right out. Set that over to the side. Set that over to the side. Take a look at this real fast. So it looks like it's maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8. We'll just stick this right in here. Opens very smoothly. Does function good. So yeah, this will be kind of a little fun. Let's look down this little thing. And yeah, I think I do see a way to gut it. So we will check that out in just a little bit, and see if we can get into here and do this thing. So anyway, I'm just kind of looking in here, seeing how we want to come in top of this thing. So anyway, taking a little pick here, and about to forget the golden rule, and that is get everything turned clockwise before you start. So just put this right in here, and that's why I'm running across a few little things that not all these discs want to turn clockwise. This seems stuck down at the bottom. So this may make for an interesting pick for Skipper style. So anyway, we'll just start to maneuver this thing right in here and get this thing all the way in there and just see what we get into. Well, guess what? First thing I found is I am not able to tension off the bottom. So I'm going to do a quick change. So I'm going to go to top of the keyway tensioner. So you're getting ready to watch me change out my RWB pick real fast. Go to the top of the keyway. So we're going to loosen that. Loosen that. And these are wonderful picks, by the way. If you don't have it, they're so smooth. Just great picks to have. And obviously, you can see this is the first time I'm messing with that. So just take that out. I'll get my top of the keyway tensioner right here. And I have to find, I apologize again, I have it sitting, I'm sitting somewhere amongst Skipper's mess. My tensioners. Not my tensioners, but my turner. But I might do a little improvise and take that one there, which is made for the well, I could always put together my sparrows pick, couldn't I? Got it right here. Right here I still got to find my tensioners for it. So my turning tips. I thought I had them sitting around somewhere, but just go. They're staring right at me right here. So let's figure out which tip. I've made a few of them homemade myself. One of them's LWB, so I have no idea which is which at this point. So let's just grab one in the middle, put this thing together. So the first thing I kind of want to see is how deep I want to go inside of lock here to grab it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tip, put it right in there, see if I can't just turn just a top disc. There we go. Put it right in, so I want to go about that depth right there. Come and grab it right there. And hopefully we're right on the money. So you guys get to see all kinds of stuff I didn't have planned for today. Put this tip together right there. Bring it out. Let's see if I can just cheat a little bit and see about the length I want to have it with the key. Let's go right there with it and see if we can't grab it right there on the end of the back. It may not even be on it at all. We'll find out real fast. Nope. Not even on it yet. There we go. We got this working now. Make sure everything's nice and tight. And you know what? I will apologize for you guys waiting on old Skipper here to get ready. So looks like I got it there. Got some tension on it. Tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a little easier too. Like I said, this RWB pick is wonderful because you can just modify things. I'm going to turn this, take this point here to the bottom to help me tension a little bit easier on that core. Okay, and we are in. We're rocking and rolling, guys. Okay, so here we go. We're tension there, and we'll just start trying to pick up a disc and see what happens. Yeah, it kind of reminds me a little bit. It might be like a unity lock, which does limit the rotation on some of its disc. And we feel like we got something there on that one. Definitely a nice smooth gate there. I haven't felt any false gates yet. Is that the last one? Yep. There we go. I think we got this little bad boy open. There we are. We got her open for you. Skipper style. So no, it wasn't too bad. Definitely no false gates. And let's just see what we can do to get this thing started open. Is that going to fit? Oh gosh. Got lucky again, didn't I? Okay, let's just bring our nice little pinning tray right over here. Put this right into the picture. And then we can just start to see what we got in here. See if I can find something that might turn that a little bit easier. There's our core. And just so you know my opinion, this looks exactly like a Unity lock right off when I mentioned earlier. It looks just like one. So let's just come right here and continue to get this open and see what we have here. So there's one. Two, no false gates. 3. 4, and then we'll see if I can go ahead and pull this core out of here. Okay. That was just a little bit strange having 2 washers at the bottom. That is appears what it is, and that's why it wouldn't turn at the bottom. That's not a washer, it's just a yeah. So it probably goes like this right here. That bottom disc doesn't turn. And there we go. Let you get a little close up of this. You can see right here, no false gates. But one thing that I found in Unity Lock, and evidently about this Reliabilt here, lock, is they do limit the turning of the disc, which does not allow you to rotate all your discs clockwise, which sometimes makes it binds up, and you can tell that by this one will. My fault. It will let you rotate them all except for that bottom one, because of the spacers here. So it just has 2, two spacers down at the bottom. But anyway, yeah, there we go. Reliabilt unpackaged, picked, and let's just see what else we got in here. Anything? One ball bearing. And I've lost my other one somewhere. There it is. It snuck out on me. So yeah, probably really good. Let's tell you what, let's check this real fast. I bet you a lot of this is stainless steel, which is going to make that very good for weather. And so let's just check real fast. As you can see, it's a magnet, and it's not wanting to stick too well. So definitely stainless, but The disc seems to be a little more steel there, so you might have some weathering that happens on those. You could have done better and made those out of brass. But it does appear like the lock body is stainless, should weather pretty good. Of course, that says stainless right there, so should weather pretty good. Hardened steel ball bearings. So there we go, guys. The Reliabilt. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry it took me so long, but you got to see me. I was planning on going bottom of the keyway tensioning, and end up had to switch my picking strategy up to top of keyway, and put that together and got her open. You guys have a good day.